Hello aspirants, a very warm welcome to your own channel Pretrap. So we have completed successfully our Spectrum Modern History series, and today I am going to start NCERT series of economics, which I know that is weakness of many students, but UPSC and other competitive exams also I have seen economics questions are increasing by weightage. That's why I come with a series which I will cover chapter wise high level MCQs of class 11th NCERT, and after that class 12th NCERT. It will give boost to your revision and open your eyes how to read chapters. And sorry for my voice today, I'm not well. So let's start with question number 1. Consider the following statements regarding the definition and scope of statistics. Number 1. In the plural sense, statistic refers to numerical facts or data systematically collected for a specific purpose. Number 2. In the singular sense, it refers to the scientific methods and techniques used for the collection, organization, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of data. Number 3. Every single isolated numerical figure, such as an individual height or income, qualifies as a statistic under the plural definition. Which of the statements given above are correct? And the answer is option A. 1 and 2 are correct. Statement 3 is incorrect because a single isolated numerical figure cannot be called a statistic. Statistic in the plural sense must be aggregates of facts affected by multiple cause and numerically expressed. Question number 2 is, why is scarcity considered the foundational trigger for economic and statistical inquiry? Option A. Scarcity means that human wants are finite while economic resources are infinite. Option B. Unlimited human wants coupled with limited resources force individuals and societies to make rational choices requiring quantitative data for optimal allocation. Option C. Scarcity is a temporary market anomaly that statistical tools are designed to permanently eliminate. Option D. It enables governments to completely bypass market mechanism through centralized price controls. And the answer is option B. Question number 3 is, which of the following features are essential for numerical data to be classified as statistic in the plural sense? Number 1. They must be numerically expressed. Number 2. They must be collected in a systematic manner for a predetermined objective. Number 3. They must be homogeneous and comparable with one another. Option 4. They must be affected to a market extent by a multiplicity of causes. Select the correct answer using the code given below, and the answer is option D. All are correct. Question number 4 is, in the context of economic study, what is the primary role of statistical methods? Option A. To replace theoretical economic models entirely with mathematical equations. Option B. To condense complex mass-scale economic phenomena into understandable aggregates and establish relationships between them. Option C. To guarantee risk-free decision making for private corporations and governments. Option D. To eliminate qualitative parameters from economic policy formulation. And the answer is option B. Question number 5 is, consider the following activities undertaken by an individual. Number 1. A person consuming apples to maximize utility. Number 2. A producer deciding the mix of inputs to minimize cost. Number 3. A society distributing goods based on equity and efficiency. Which of these represent the core economic activities mentioned in the introductory economic theory? And the answer is option D. All are correct. Question number 6 is, statistics are like clay or which you can make a god or a devil as you please. This famous quote highlights which limitation of statistics? Option A. Statistics deals with qualitative characteristics directly without numerical conversion. Option B. Statistic can be misused or manipulated to support preconceived conclusion if not handled objectively. Option C. Its results are always universally true under all circumstances. Option D, statistical laws are exact and precise like mathematical laws. And the answer is option B, statistic can be misused or manipulated to support preconceived conclusion if not handled objectively. Question number 7 is, which of the following statements correctly distinguishes between quantitative data and qualitative data in economic analysis? Option A, qualitative data can be directly processed using standard arithmetic operations like mean and variance. Option B, quantitative data measures attributes that cannot be expressed in numerical terms such as beauty or intelligence. Option C, qualitative attributes like welfare or honesty are often studied in economics by assigning numerical rankings or proxy scores. Option D, economics strictly relies on qualitative data and completely rejects quantitative database. And the answer is option C. With reference to the primary and secondary data sources, consider the following statements. Number 1. Primary data refers to first-hand information collected originally for a specific investigation by the investigator. Number 2. Secondary data has already been collected, processed and published by someone else and is generally less expensive to obtain. Number 3. Primary data is invariably more reliable and free from any form of error compared to secondary data. Which of the statements given above are correct? And your answer is option A. 1 and 2 are correct. Statement 3 is incorrect. Primary data is not automatically free from error. Poor questionnaire design or respondent errors can severely impact primary data quality. Question number 9 is, which of the following best defines a pilot survey? Option A, a final exhaustive census conducted across the entire geographical territory of a nation. Option B, a pre-testing of the questionnaire on a small sample of the target population to identify shortcomings and technical flaws before the actual survey. Option C, a survey conducted exclusively via digital aviation tracking systems for remote logistics. Option D, a method of randomly selecting economic indicators without a questionnaire. And the answer is option B. Question number 10 is, consider the following statements regarding sampling error and non-sampling error. Number 1. Sampling error occurs because a sample is only a fraction of the population and it can generally be minimized by increasing the sample size. Option 2. Non-sampling errors are restricted strictly to sample surveys and do not occur in complete census methods. Which of the statements given above are correct? And the answer is option A. 1 only is correct. Statement 2 is incorrect because non-sampling error can occur in both sample surveys and census surveys. In fact, due to the massive scale of census, non-sampling errors can sometimes be even larger. Question number 11 is, in the context of random sampling techniques, what does random sampling ensure? Option A, every single item in the population has an equal and independent chance of being selected in the sample. Option B, only the most prominent or high income elements of a population are handpicked for study. Option C, the investigator can intentionally select respondents who support their preconceived hypothesis. Option D, the elimination of all forms of statistical errors, both sampling and non-sampling. And the answer is option A. Question number 12 is, what are the key criteria an investigator must keep in mind while evaluating the suitability of secondary data? Number 1, reliability and credibility of the collecting agency. Number 2, suitability of the data for specific objectives of the current study. Number 3, adequacy of the data in terms of geographical scope and time period. And the answer is option D, all are correct. And last question is, consider the following statements regarding the census method of data collection. Number 1, it covers every single element or member of the population under study. Number 2, it is highly cost effective and time saving when dealing with large infinite population. Number 3, it provides high reliability and accuracy. When the population size is relatively small or diverse, elements need individual focus. Which of the statements given above are correct? And the answer is option C. 1 and 3 are correct. Statement 2 is incorrect because the census method is costly, time consuming, and labor intensive, making it inefficient for massive or infinite population, which is precisely why sample surveys are preferred. Now we have reached the end of the session for today. I hope these questions are helping you in your revision and surely an eye opener for both beginners and repeaters in how to approach for questions